Want to automatically send Instagram posts to your Discord server? Here's how to do it with RSS app in under a minute. No code required. Grab the link of any public Instagram profile and paste it into RSS generator at rss.app to generate a feed. Save the feed to your account, click the Discord icon, and you'll be prompted to authorize RSS app to connect to your Discord. Just select the specific server you want. Then, back in RSS app, choose the exact channel you'd like posts to appear in and hit save. The last 3 Instagram posts will show up instantly to confirm everything's working. And from then on, new posts will be sent to your Discord as soon as they're added to your feed. You can send older posts manually with Send Test. In the Settings tab, you can change the bot's name and avatar to match your server's vibe, or customize what gets posted: title, image, URL, or a custom button like Comment Here. In the Actions tab, you can tag specific roles in every post, or when specific keywords are mentioned, or ignore posts that contain certain phrases. And if you ever want to double check that everything's running smoothly, the History tab shows exactly what was sent and when. It's a fast, no-code way to keep your Discord server in sync with any Instagram account. Start automating with rss.app today.